Climate change is a pressing global issue that has far-reaching consequences for our planet. One of the most significant impacts of climate change is its effect on biodiversity. In this blog post, we will take a closer look at how climate change specifically affects biodiversity, including the loss of species, habitat degradation, and disruptions to ecosystems. By exploring case studies and scientific research, we aim to provide a deeper understanding of the consequences of climate change on the natural world. Biodiversity refers to the variety of life on Earth, including all species of plants, animals, and microorganisms, as well as the ecosystems they inhabit. It plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems and providing essential services such as pollination, nutrient cycling, and climate regulation. However, climate change poses significant threats to biodiversity, leading to irreversible changes in ecosystems worldwide. The loss of species. One of the most visible and alarming impacts of climate change on biodiversity is the loss of species. Rising temperatures, changing precipitation patterns, and extreme weather events disrupt ecosystems and force many species to adapt or migrate to more suitable habitats. However, not all species can keep up with the pace of change, resulting in population declines and, in some cases, extinction. The impact of climate change on polar bears. Polar bears, iconic symbols of the Arctic, are facing dire consequences due to climate change. The melting of sea ice, their primary hunting ground, is reducing their access to food and forcing them to swim longer distances, leading to exhaustion and increased mortality rates. The decline in polar bear populations serves as a stark reminder of the devastating effects of climate change on vulnerable species. Habitat degradation. Climate change also contributes to habitat degradation, further endangering biodiversity. Rising temperatures, changing rainfall patterns, and increased frequency of extreme weather events can alter ecosystems, making them less suitable for many species. This degradation of habitats disrupts the intricate web of interactions between species and can lead to cascading effects throughout the ecosystem. Coral bleaching and the Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef, one of the world's most diverse and vibrant ecosystems, is under threat due to climate change-induced coral bleaching. Rising ocean temperatures cause corals to expel the symbiotic algae living within their tissues, resulting in the loss of their vibrant colors and essential nutrients. This bleaching weakens the corals and makes them more susceptible to disease, ultimately leading to the degradation of the entire reef ecosystem. Disruptions to ecosystems. Climate change can disrupt ecosystems by altering the timing of natural events, such as flowering, migration, and hibernation. These disruptions can have cascading effects on the interactions between species, leading to imbalances and potential ecosystem collapse. Additionally, invasive species may thrive in new climatic conditions, outcompeting native species and further disrupting ecosystems. Changing bird migration patterns. Bird migration patterns are intricately linked to seasonal changes and availability of food resources. However, climate change is causing shifts in these patterns, with some species altering their migration routes or timing. These changes can disrupt the delicate balance between birds and their habitats, affecting pollination, seed dispersal, and insect control, among other ecological processes. Conclusion. The impact of climate change on biodiversity is a critical concern that requires urgent attention and action. The loss of species, habitat degradation, and disruptions to ecosystems are just some of the consequences we face. By understanding the specific effects of climate change on biodiversity, we can work towards implementing effective conservation strategies, mitigating further damage, and preserving the rich tapestry of life on our planet.